Online income is no longer just a pipe dream. You may earn money from the convenience of your home in various ways. Although some individuals might believe that the best opportunities have already been taken, that is untrue. This blog article will discuss a range of options for you to earn money online. We have something for everyone, whether you wish to make extra money or work for yourself. Working as a freelancer online is a fantastic way to supplement your income. To locate employment, you may utilize various sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Establish a profile and begin submitting bids for projects. You can earn a few $100 for every assignment if you're competent at what you do. Starting a blog is another option to earn money online. Create a blog on any subject that interests you. If you have a sufficient number of regular readers, you can start generating income from it by selling advertising space or via affiliate marketing. You might easily make a few $1,000s monthly from your site if you get a sizable number of visitors. Consider utilizing a free platform like WordPress.com when you first start. Once you've established yourself, you may upgrade to a self-hosted blog on WordPress.org. Consider investing in real estate if you're searching for a more passive approach to earning money online. You may invest in real estate on various platforms without spending any money up front. The fees for using these platforms are generally a modest portion of the returns on your investment. However, it's crucial to remember there is always some danger when investing in real estate. After doing your homework and understanding the hazards, only invest. You can quickly get a sizable return on your investment with the right platform and luck. The practice of affiliate marketing is another well-liked method of earning money online. With this technique, you advertise goods or services on your website or blog and get paid when a visitor clicks on your link and buys anything. This might be a terrific opportunity to make some additional cash if you have a popular website or blog. You can join affiliate programs through organizations like Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. The most crucial thing to remember when doing affiliate marketing is that you should only endorse goods you firmly believe in. It will be exceedingly challenging to generate sales if you're promoting interests you need to consider. You can generate money by selling goods or services online if you have the skill or aptitude to give to others. You can sell your goods or services on various websites, including Etsy, eBay, and Fiverr. Digital goods, including ebooks, webinars, and online courses, are also available for sale. These are only a handful of the numerous opportunities for earning money online. With so many alternatives, you can find something that appeals to you. So why are you still waiting? Begin earning now.